Get down, get down.
Welcome to the monkey room.
This is awesome. So being a veteran myself, it's really a good feeling when I can come in and take part personally in helping another veteran and their family.
So this is going to be sort of a split-use room. We wanted a great material that's going to be able to meet all of their needs. What are we using?
We're using Tarkett fiber floor easy living upstairs, and then we have our ProGen rigid core throughout the rest of the home.
Really easy to install, works great over uneven subfloors like in this old upstairs room. Why up here?
The beauty of this floor, it's very easy to clean. Just
Right.
damp mop, you can clean anything off this floor.
And what's cool about this is it's embossed with simulated grout lines.
Sure.
So you actually feel the difference. There's texture. It's not just a flat surface.
That's what we try to do with our fiber floor, is you have the texture of the tile itself, but you also have the depth of the grout line, so it does look and feel like a true stone floor.
I noticed the downstairs, that ProGen is back once again for another visit. Can we take a look
Tried
at
and
that?
true ProGen, absolutely, let's go.
We love that we're doing the open floor plan look with the seamless, gives it a great look. But Chip, there was something I wanted your opinion on and to maybe educate me a little bit about this room out here. This is, what do you call, maybe a sunroom or a Three Seasons room. It's not air conditioned at all, and this is really the perfect product for a room like this in an old house.
It is. ProGen is one of the few flooring products that can be installed in a room where after the installation we have no temperature restrictions.
Another thing that's amazing is that Tarkett keeps coming back to support our veterans. What does it mean to you to be able to help a young family that's had so much tragedy in their life?
It makes you feel good inside. Tarkett, we really pride ourselves on giving back to the community.
Well, it's a win-win all over, and we can't thank you enough for your partnership with Tarkett and Military Makeover.
Art, our pleasure.
Thanks,
Thank
Chip.
you.
Well, listen, lots more work happening and more to watch on Military Makeover.